So which one do you want to watch next?
Hey, I really want to watch The Substance.
Yeah,
actually.
oh my God, I was going to say the same thing. It
Okay.
is so
But is it
you.
going to be scary?
Scary is not the right word. It's a
Okay.
gory thing.
Oh my God. I don't like scary, okay?
No, it's not scary.
Okay. Like, I hate jump scares.
No, not
Okay.
at all. It's not even in the genre that you're thinking.
Okay. While you pull that up, do you feel
Hmm.
like Demi Moore is looking a little bit like Courtney Cox?
Oh
But like
yeah.
not now Courtney Cox.
Hmm.
Like the where she was like the last episode of Friends Courtney Cox. This is what Amazon asked me to pay and watch this. I have Amazon Prime and it says watch on Mubi and pay $6. Yes, I can see. Ah, okay. Very loud.
People always ask for something new. It's inevitable. At 50, well, it stops.
Have you ever dreamt of a better version of yourself? Younger, more beautiful, more perfect. One single injection unlocks your DNA and will release another version of yourself. This is The Substance.
I'm Sue. 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 Sue.
You're hired.
Let's go.
A perfect balance of 7 days each. The one and only thing not to forget. You are one. You can't escape from yourself.
There's been a slight misuse of the substance.
This balance is not working.
Would you like to stop? Would you like to stop? Would you like to stop? Would you like to stop?
I'm fine. Everything's fine. You have to
Control yourself! Fat!
People are gonna love that.
Wow.
Now you know what I mean by it's not.
Yeah.
It's
Wait, so
not
she takes that
scary.
injection, she gets the shot,
Hmm.
and then she becomes that lady, the young
Hmm.
lady. So when you say
Yeah.
7 equal days, like 7 days she's this one, 7 days she's that one,
Yes.
like
And
every other week.
yes, but I feel they gave too much away in the trailer. So I again watched it blind, like without watching the trailer. And I feel I
Okay.
enjoyed it more. Here they gave everything away. Like I didn't know anything
Yeah.
that's gonna happen. They literally told 7 days each. I didn't think they'd do that. They can
Oh, you
clearly
hadn't
leave it
watched the
out.
trailer at all.
No.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's creepy. But it'll be this one is like
It's
I want to
nice.
watch now.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
should. And
Okay,
the
okay,
whole
I'll
time I
watch.
was, because I didn't know what I was getting into, like I thought it's gonna be like Euphoria. Like it's gonna be a drug thing, like
Nah,
a
yes.
high drug thing. So I
Yeah.
was just like, I thought it'll be like raves and people doing drugs, that kind of thing. But so for me, it was completely like I had no idea it
Like a
was in the
surprise, yeah.
biological sense of the substance.
A little bit not just because of that theme
Hmm.
of the fact that they change like that. It
Hmm.
reminded me a little of Severance. Have you watched Severance?
Yeah.
So
I have a big, massive crush on the protagonist.
Are you serious? He's so your type, though. I can
I
see it.
know, right? And
Yeah, he's so your
Avanti,
type.
it is unhealthy right now.
Oh my
The
God.
Yeah, it is. He's not that famous to have lot of content.
No.
No,
I don't even know his name. What's his name? He's good.
Adam Scott.
Yes, Adam Scott. Correct. Yes. But it's Ben Stiller's show, right? Like Ben Stiller
Yeah,
has made it.
yeah.
So for all the movies that Ben Stiller has been in, this is like, whoa.
And
What?
apparently he's like a taskmaster and all. So he's not like fun Ben.
He's like that guy in Friends episode.
Yeah. Do you know the younger Demi?
She looks very familiar. What is she in? What has she come in?
Yeah, you search for her.
Yes,
What's
let me
Margaret
search.
Qualley? Oh,
Yes,
she
Margaret.
is. Have
Where
you
have I
seen
oh,
Four
the
Weddings?
maid. She's
Oh
a
yeah,
maid,
the maid. Correct.
which
Even
I haven't seen, but I know.
but very
know.
nice.
I know, but apparently it's very triggering.
No, I watched it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so she is the daughter of the actress who was
Oh my God,
in
Andy McDowell.
yes. Was she
The
in
curly head.
yes. Can you believe it?
No. Oh my, all these kids are coming now.
Yeah, but
Like
like
all.
I like it when I watch something and I like the actor
Yes.
and I have no idea there's nepotism involved.
Yes. I
And
agree.
so recently Andy McDowell said something like, I am enjoying reverse nepotism or something like that because Margaret is getting a lot of like praise for her work.
Right. So now that's what Chunky Pandey said.
Oh, then
Just
maybe it was Chunky.
Please. No, because
How will we
No.
fact check this, Avanti?
Chunky Pandey for sure said that like I'm happy that
Ah.
I am known because
Hmm.
okay, let's be honest, Chunky Pandey was not a superstar. Like he
But
was
he
an
was very
actor.
handsome for his like he
Yeah,
was
for
handsome
that
in his
yes.
heydays. Yeah.
Yes. But he was not like he was not even Govinda level. Like Govinda also was like he attained a level of popularity. So for him, he himself said that if you are calling Ananya a star kid, that means I'm a star. Oh wow, great.
Oh, so cute.
I like
Oh.
Chunky Pandey. So cute.
We cannot get into Chunky Pandey in Oscars 2025, Avanti. We lose our audience.
Yes. Let's edit Chunky Pandey. Okay, next.
That's how he's felt all his life.
I think we should keep it.
Okay.
See, some amount of digression is gonna happen. So it's
Are
okay.
you digression for sure, but legal and compliance?
No, what is it? We are talking about Chunky Pandey. What is legal in this? I'm quoting him literally. Like I didn't even make this
You're
up.
using his words again.
Yes.
That's what lawyers do.